What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Redmagic 7S Pro, 7S, Redmagic 7 or any of the Redmagic smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you are locked at the lock screen here. So here we go. Usually to remove any kind of security, you need to either remove it from the settings or perform a hard reset. But since you are logged out of the device, you cannot go to the settings and perform any kind of activities. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a hard reset right from your lock screen. But keep one thing on your mind, that whatever content you got on your device will be deleted and you will start fresh with your Redmagic smartphone. And if you were using your Google account, then it might ask you to enter your Google account credential before you start using your device. So here I am at the lock screen of my Redmagic 7S Pro. The very first thing you need to do is switch off the device, power it off. Once the device is switched off, you need to press the power key and volume down key together, press and hold like this. Once this screen appears, you can move your finger from the keys and then you will find some options here. One of the option is reboot to recovery mode. So to navigate between the options, you need to use the volume up and down key and power key to select. So go to reboot to recovery mode and after that press the power key once. Now based on your preference, either Mandarin or English, you can select one of them. I'm going to select English, of course. Press the power key one more time and now on the next screen you will see few options. One of them is wipe data. This is what we are going to use. So press the power key to select it and then once again press the power key to wipe user data partition from your Redmagic 7S Pro. Once again, you need to use the volume down to go to OK, and here you can see it is showing the same thing that I said, that it will wipe all of your data and this cannot be undone. You will have to start fresh. Press the power key once you are at the OK option and the wiping of the data is completed. Press the power key as OK. Use the volume down to go to back to main menu option. Press the power key. Use the volume down to go to reboot. Press the power key to select it and now the device will reboot. Once the rebooting process is completed, we will start totally fresh and we will see whether we really got the access back to our Redmagic 7S Pro or not. And here we go. So you can see that we are starting totally fresh with our Redmagic 7S Pro here. You can see it is asking me to set up the lock screen pin again. That means the previous one is gone. But let's finish the process and let's see whether we really got the access to our smartphone or not. And as you can see, everything is working fine. It did not ask me the old pin of my Redmagic 7S Pro here. The only drawback is that whatever content I had is gone, but the good part is that I got the access back to my device. So this is how you can remove any kind of security, the PIN, password, fingerprint data from your Redmagic 7S Pro or any of the Redmagic smartphone. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.